Hello friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is egg biryani. For this recipe, I've taken half kg basmati rice. Rinse the rice 2 to 3 times and soak in water for 30 minutes. 6 boiled eggs. 1 raw egg. 2 tomatoes cut into small pieces. 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon yogurt. 2 teaspoons chili powder. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 cup onion. 1 green chili. 2 pieces cinnamon. 2 bay leaves. 2 cardamom and 2 cloves. 2 tablespoons ghee. 2 tablespoons oil. Half cup finely chopped mint. Half cup finely chopped coriander leaves. Water should be 1 and 3/4 times the amount of rice and salt. Pan is getting heated. Let's add 2 tablespoons oil, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, I'm going to add onion, add some salt, and fry this till the onions are lightly golden brown. Now let's add the ginger garlic paste, green chili. Let's fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. I fried this for 3 minutes. Now let's add the chili powder, garam masala and turmeric powder. Fry this for 1 minute on low flame. Let's add tomato, mint, coriander leaves, yogurt. Let's cook this till the tomatoes are soft. Tomatoes are cooked well. Now I'm going to add the egg. Add 1 raw egg and mix well. Add salt. I fried this for 3 minutes. Now I'm just going to take the eggs out. Add 1 tablespoon ghee. Water. You can check the salt. If you need more salt, you can add now. Cover the pan and let it boil. Let's check now. You can add the rice now. Drain all the water before adding. I soaked the rice for 30 minutes. Let's cover the pan and cook in medium flame. Let's check now. The rice is about 75% done. Keep the flame in low. Add the eggs now. Mint leaves. Coriander leaves. Add the remaining ghee. Cover with the aluminium foil. Cook this on low flame till the rice is done. Let's check now. Egg biryani is ready. The rice is cooked well. The reason why I used raw egg to the masala is that it gives a nice flavor to the biryani. You can have this egg biryani with raita. This is a very tasty recipe. Try this and post your comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.